Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video, and today we have a product from a brand which is quite well known in the accessories and the peripheral segment of the IT industry, but they're also starting to make their way into the audio side of the world, and we have one of their latest earbuds with us. This is UGREEN T2 TWS earbuds. We're going to tell you all about these bad boys and where you can get them and what they can do for you. But before I do that, can I please request you to press the subscribe button and the notification icon if you're watching us on YouTube. If you're watching us on Facebook, like and follow us there as well. We're also there on Instagram and TikTok at GreatLobbyist is the handle, and www.greatlobbyist.com is where you can find more information about us. So let's get down to get my favorite yellow cutter, and we're going to unbox it and find out what's inside it and tell you all about it. So keep watching and I'll see you guys in a minute. Hello guys, we've done unboxing the UGREEN T2, the TWS earbuds from a brand that is trying to make its way into the audio part of the IT industry. And inside the box we had this charging case, very minimalistic, beautiful looking design, very unique. And inside that are very beautifully designed and a two-color texture. Or is that the sticker on top? Yeah, that's a sticker on top. Sorry, I thought it's a two-color texture. Inside the box, we have these beautiful bad boys right here. AirPod style earbuds and a USB cable. I don't know why white color comes with the black, but it's still a USB Type-C cable. No silicone ear tips, extra ear tips. I think we should tell them to start putting them on board. Oh, sorry, we don't need those ear tips. These are AirPod styles. Oh, sorry, pardon me. But yeah, there you go. These are beautiful design. Now, they've been specifically designed to keeping gamers in mind because they have a 60 milliseconds of extremely low latency. So great quality sound with 14.2 mm titanium coated driver and 4 microphones for environmental noise cancellation. Putting it all together gives you a great quality sound and a great gaming experience at the same time. And you're having a call, 4 superior microphones, two on each bud. So basically it reduces the voice on both sides to ensure that your communication and your phone calls are absolutely crystal clear. And they also work in a twin and a mono mode, which means you can use one of these guys alone or together, depending on if you're looking for stereo. I like using both of them at all times. But some people like to preserve the battery and want to have a longer usage, so they use one at a time and they work beautifully well. Though you really don't need to worry about the battery because these bad boys, once fully charged, work on 4 hours. So great battery life there. And with the case, it's literally 20 hours. So you're good to go for at least about a couple of days, if not more, depending on your usage. And just in case you still run out of it, a 15-minute of charging of these earbuds can give you 1 hour of listening time. So that's, I think, fairly good enough to give you that full day exposure and still great. But one beautiful thing is, it's not just wired charging with Type-C. It also has wireless charging on this. So it can, you can charge this with a rechargeable case, and in 2 hours you can have the case and the earbuds fully charged all the time. So great stuff there as well. So wireless charging in the cases in earbuds has been a great thing. I think just drop the case on the table and it continues to charge, which makes it amazing. And honestly, my personal I've never been a fan of the AirPods and AirPod style buds because I've got a weird shape in drum shape, so they really don't fit in, and no matter what I do. So I love the ones with the silicone tips, but I'm going to use these and try them out to tell you an honest opinion. If there's any questions, please do leave us in the comment. But while using if you're going to the gym, so don't worry about that as well. It's got IPX5 waterproofing. So a little bit of splash, a little bit of dust should not do any damage to them. Complete touch controls on the buds itself. So you want to play the music, just single tap on the left or the right earbud and it plays and pauses the music. Triple tap on the right earbud takes it to the next track. Triple tap on the left one takes it to the PA response. So that's complete music control. Gaming mode and a normal mode switch can be done. A quadruple tap on the left or the right earbud switches it from the gaming mode to the normal mode. So that's amazingly easy as well. Double tap on right for volume up, double tap on left earbud for volume down. So answering an ending call, single tap on the left or the right earbud, rejecting a call, a long press will do the job about 2 seconds. You want to activate the voice assistant if you're using it with Android, of course, Google and Google Assistant or Siri on the Apple phone. You can just long press the left earbud for a couple of seconds and it'll activate Siri or the Google Assistant at the same time. So completely great control on itself. Long design, so it comes closer to your mouth, giving that more clarity of communication. Beautifully ergonomic design. I'm going to try put these on and see if they fit in. See, as I was saying, I've got weird shape of ears, so they never fit in my ears. They continue to fall. Other ones do. But yes, from the quality perspective, great sound quality. For the gamers, I think it's a great product to have. Gamers have always been using the top of the over-the-head earphones, but the mobile gaming would make it easier for us to have it. And great brands are coming up with low latency. I use one of them myself. I want to try these out, see if I can keep them on for a little while and give you answers to any questions that you might have. So guys, this is UGREEN T2, iTunes T2 earbuds from UGREEN, a great product, great design. I like it, feels good. No fingerprints coming on the case because of the matte finish it has. So amazing stuff. We're going to come up with some amazing products. Tell you more about a few more products that we have from UGREEN. They were kind enough to send up all the way across from China. So we're going to unbox them for you, show some of those products as well. So keep watching. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. This is your friend, the Great Lobbyist. Keep yourself safe. Peace.